Hi there and welcome to Tech Life, a channel where I aim to review everything from selfie sticks to laptops to IDs for coding, video editing, software for producing thumbnails, essentially anything tech related. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you have anything that you think I should review, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to review that product. And so in this very short video, we're going to quickly do a test flight of this JJRC H36 drone. I'm actually flying it outside in a local park, and so it's a bit difficult to control, and I think the battery was quite low. But ideally, this drone is a great beginner's drone, and you should ideally use it indoors because it's so light, the slightest breeze just knocks it off course.
I have got vertical hold. I'm not touching the controls and they're sitting there. I can move it left and right. I can move it forwards, backwards. I think it's low on battery, that's why it falls down. But yeah, it's definitely got vertical hold.